Having a good coach quickly and dramatically increases your awareness of how to develop your mind so that you can truly start to think. And it eliminates a lot of frustration because you're learning from someone who has already mastered the skill. So a coach can do you a tremendous amount of good in helping you develop your mind. Now, just imagine what it would be like to have 3 really good coaches showing you how to use the faculties of your mind to create the life you want for a 6-week period. Think of that. That's exactly what you're going to get when you become a member of our new landmark program called The Magic in Your Mind. It's a phenomenal program where you are coached by me, by Mary Morrissey, and Sandy Gallagher on how to develop, strengthen, and apply 6 mental faculties in every area of your life: your imagination, your intuition, your ability to reason, the will, memory, and perception. Mary Morrissey and I have been great friends for years. Our careers have traveled parallel paths for decades as we've approached many of the same issues: self-empowerment, prosperity, and personal success. Sandy Gallagher is a genius businesswoman and a visionary expert. She used to be a hugely successful banking attorney. Now Sandy is the co-founder, president, and chief executive officer of our firm, the Proctor Gallagher Institute. Between Mary, Sandy, and I, we have more than 100 years of study, knowledge, and application to share with you, something you won't find anywhere else. In The Magic in Your Mind, we will introduce you to some of the most exciting, earth-shaking, and truly life-changing ideas that you've heard about. I'm going to tell you, we're going to show you how to tap into the power of your mind. Here's how it works. Every week, for 6 weeks, you will get a coaching lesson on one of these 6 faculties from Mary and me. These coaching sessions will provide in-depth insight into what each faculty is and how you can use it to improve the quality of your life in ways you want to develop it. And over the course of the 6 weeks, you'll also receive a video lesson exercise from Sandy Gallagher every day. That's right, every day for 6 weeks. You will get 7 practical lessons on each faculty. Each one provides additional insight and specific techniques to use each day to take you further toward understanding, developing, and actively using each of these great faculties. By the end of each week, you'll not only have developed one of your faculties, you'll also know when and how to use it in a more effective and rewarding way. And by the end of this marvelous 6-week journey, you won't have a doubt in your mind that you already possess everything you need to create everything you'll ever want. Even better, you will already be well on your way to making it happen. That's because this program isn't about theory or wishing or hoping. It is about activating and deliberately creating the life you want right now. Click the button below to join us for this life-changing 3-in-1 coaching program and to start to experience the magic and power of your marvelous mind. Dr. J.B. Ryan said the mind is the greatest power in all of creation, and you own it.